Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. From 19 to 22nd June, 580 young people from the Salesian Youth Movement (SYM) from the two Salesian provinces of Colombia, Medellin and Bogota, and from the three FMAs gathered at San Juan Bosco School in Dos Quebradas, Risaralda to experience Campo Bosco 2024. The meeting is the culmination of the faith formation itineraries which are presented in the SYM-COM Charter of Identity, and it represents the most important founding meeting of the pillars of Salesian youth spirituality for the province of St. Luis Bertrando. Campo Bosco was animated by the animation team and the Provincial Council of SYM-COM, the Mission Animation Delegation, Vocation Ministry and the Salesian Blessed Philip Rinaldi Post Novitiate Community, with the logistical support of the educative and pastoral community of the school hosting the event. From June 19th to June 21st, 2024, the Salesian Province House in Dungal Pitia in Sri Lanka was humming with creativity and enthusiasm as young Salesians from the Practical Training and Philosophy Brothers who participated in an intensive mobile journalism Mojo workshop. This unique event for 15 persons was facilitated by Father Makej Makula SDB and Ms. Alexandra Stanskiewicz, who shared their expertise and guided the participants through a comprehensive journey of modern media skills. The workshop aimed to equip the young Salesians with the necessary skills to become effective digital missionaries. In our fast-evolving digital age, it is crucial to harness the power of media to preach the good news and engage with a wider community. A feast of gratitude for the Provincial of Central Africa AFC Father Guillermo Basanyas was held on Saturday 22nd June at Boys Town, Lubumbashi. 228 Salesians and 22 novices belonging to and residing in the southern part of the country participated in this traditional annual meeting that was marked by the Eucharistic celebration, the reading of the messages addressed to the provincial, a projection of the summary of the Rector Major's visit to the country, and the sharing of a fraternal meal. The Mass was presided over by Father Basanyas, who chose gratitude and prayer in time of war as his intentions for the day, to highlight the communion of heart and spirit of the entire Salesian province in the face of the cruelty and atrocities caused by the painful situation of war that the population of the northeast of the country is experiencing. Salesians in the North Philippines province gathered at Don Bosco, Batulao from 16 to 20th June for the 2024 provincial chapter. Chapter members explored and deliberated mainly on the contribution and participation of the FIN province to GC29 to be held in Turin in 2025 on the theme Passionate About Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people, and on its three core areas and on the challenges of the province. The provincial chapter was chaired by Father Guerrero Martin, Provincial, and Father Alexander Garces, Moderator, and was attended by 48 Salesians and an observer, Father Ramon Borja, from the Salesian community of Kuching, Malaysia. On 24th June, the Nativity of St. John the Baptist, St. John Bosco's name day, and the symbolic date of the foundation of the past pupils of Don Bosco, the President of the World Confederation, Brian Magro, sent a message from Malta in which, recalling the roots of the feast, he casts his gaze forward to the new challenges awaiting the past pupils, starting with the forthcoming extraordinary World General Assembly. As we celebrate our Foundation Day, deeply cherished by all past pupils and friends of Don Bosco, we reflect on the significance of the 24th of June. This day, more than just a date on the calendar, is a beacon that lights our way, guiding us back to our roots and reminding us of the extraordinary journey that began 150 years ago in Valdoco. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for tuning in.